Good evening, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips here in Mascoutah, Illinois, checking out Mascoutah Community Lanes. Now, the word is this place has the best pizza you could possibly imagine anywhere around here. Voted the best pizza in Southern Illinois. We got some for carryout, so let's check it out. Come day tripping with us.
There's nothing left to say, nothing you could do. There's no other way when it comes to.
Here we go with a rare nighttime video shoot. The kitchen opens at 5, and this video was shot in the winter when the sun sets super early. Despite being there at opening, there were several carryout orders already in progress. The word is out about this mom and pop establishment, and it makes us super happy to see hard work pay off for the little guys. This place has already generated a very loyal clientele, with the reputation as being more of a great pizza place with a side of bowling, as opposed to a bowling alley with a side of food. I think that this explains the level of hype that the pizza has. It's not so much that it's objectively the best pizza in Southern Illinois, but it definitely is a place that deserves a spotlight, and it deserves to be more than a hidden gem. And the clientele knows this, and is very vocal. The crust resembles that of a New York slice. It's somewhat dense, one-day-old dough made in-house. We got 2 pizzas, 1 ham and pineapple, and a chicken bacon ranch.
That's going to about do it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care, everyone.